Hello everybody, welcome to ColorOS Pro. Today I'm going to show you how to hide pattern line on your OPPO A6 Pro 5G. So basically, if you set a pattern as your screen lock, so basically like this, and you want this line to be invisible, I'll show you how to do it. So first up, open up your settings and go to security and privacy. Then device unlock, screen lock, and show track. Make sure to disable it, and let's check up right now. So as you can see now, there is no line basically. So that's how you hide the pattern line on your OPPO A6 Pro 5G. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.